Hey guys, John here from Diode. Today in the garage, I'll be showing you how to install our new Stage Series bed light kit designed specifically for the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Start at the passenger side bed light. Apply slight pressure with a trim tool to bring the assembly outward. Unplug the OE harness and remove the light. Next, we can use a T30 Torx bit to remove 5 bolts along the cargo rail. To completely remove the rail, it must slide partially forward to release from the alignment tab. Use a trim tool to remove the tab. With a 5/8 drill bit, enlarge the hole. Grab the included M8 extensions with your kit and begin to feed the male ends through the hole and out of the pocket where the OE cargo light was. Feed the female side of the same M8 extension wires through the cargo rail where the alignment tab was. Reinstall the cargo rail using the original T30 fasteners. Connect the female M8 connectors on the included switch harness to the male plugs on the extensions. Connect the male 2-pin connector on the harness to the OE cargo light connector. Connect the female 2-pin connector on the harness to the OE cargo light assembly and set aside. Use a trim tool to remove the lens from the rock light and slide the washer onto the screw and into the center hole of the rock light. Thread on the T-slot and leave about ½ inch of space between the rock light and nut. On the cargo rail, remove the rear end caps by depressing down and sliding rearward. Slide the T-nut into the cargo rail, making sure the rock light M8 pigtail is on the side facing the OE cargo light. Find a spot on the rail to secure the rock light. Note the cargo rail has notches built in. The T-slot nut cannot sit or overlap these notches. We leave these notches open to allow for the factory bed cleats to be installed. Use a 5/32 Allen to secure the rock light and reinstall the rubber seals and lens. Connect the rock light to the M8 extension and tuck the wiring away. Repeat for the other rock light on this side. Test for function. With everything functioning properly, configure the switch to the desired power level. You can configure the switch to our low or high power levels depending on your preference. The high power boasts 1000 lumens, while the low power setting will give you 330 lumens of light. Once the power level is set, feed the harness in the side of the rail cavity and reinsert the OE bed light. Repeat the same steps for the other side. As you can see, with our Stage Series bed light kit installed, you now have a significant increase in light output compared to the factory LED bed lights. This is perfect for unloading or loading in low light situations. If you're looking to pick up a Stage Series bed light kit for your Tacoma or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. If you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.